Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I'll tell you how to get free items from AliExpress. So first of all, let's talk about free gift section that is on your home page. So let's go here, free gift, and here this is the section where sellers offer you products absolutely for free. So the concept is that you have to pick 2 items, and for the third item you will have to pay. So let's pick those 2 items, and the last step will be to shop one more item to get those 2 items absolutely for free. So let's select this one, for example, and I need to proceed to my checkout page, and you can see that these 2 items will be for free, and for this item I will have to pay. So in summary, instead of paying $6.96, I will pay $1.21. So that is really nice way if you want to save your money and if you want to get some free gifts from AliExpress. And one more option on AliExpress is section Freebies and Reviews, but actually on my device it's called different, but anyway. So this is section in AliExpress where sellers give out products for $0, and in return you have to leave review for that item. So here you can see a list of products that have been put up for this freebie promotion, and basically you have to apply for it. And I highly recommend you to stick to offers with fewer applicants. So for example, for this item you see that 4 people applied, and for example for this one 0 applied. Yes, so find those products with fewer applicants, and basically for applying you have to press this orange apply button, then wait until you are selected, receive your item, and eventually leave review for that. Yeah, that were the main points on how you can get free items from AliExpress. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.